You can quickly get familiar with the main features of the AI by reading these tips. You may try out the features described in the tips while this dialog stays open on the screen. If you close the dialog, you can always get back to it from the Help Tip of the Day main menu item. To open any class in the editor quickly, press O, Navigate Class, and start typing the name of the class. Choose the class from a drop-down list that appears. The code completion feature lets you quickly complete different kinds of statements in the code. For example, start typing a class name and press space in default key map to complete it. When multiple choices are available, they are shown in the lookup list. You can quickly find all places where a particular class, method or variable is used in the whole project by positioning the caret at the symbol's name or at its usage in code and pressing F7. Edit Find Usages in the pop-up menu. To quickly see the documentation for a class or method at caret, press F1. View Quick Documentation. To navigate to the declaration of a class, method or variable used somewhere in the code, position the caret at the usage and press B. Navigate declaration. You can also click the mouse on usages with the Control key pressed to jump to declarations. You can quickly navigate in the currently edited file with F12. Navigate file structure. You can easily rename your classes, methods and variables with automatic correction of all places where they are used. To try it, place the caret at the symbol you want to rename, and press F6. Refactor rename. Type the new name in the pop-up window that appears, or select one of the suggested. You may easily override methods of the base class by pressing O. Code Override Methods. To implement methods of the interfaces that the current class implements or of the abstract base class, use I. Code Implement Methods. The Smart Type code completion greatly helps to find methods and variables that are suitable in the current context by analyzing the expected type of the whole expression. So doing, Android Studio pinpoints the top 5 most suitable results and highlights them on the blue background.